How to fix WhatsApp QR code scan not working on iPhone. Trying to log into WhatsApp web or link a device but the QR code won't scan? Let's fix that. Start by wiping your camera lens. A blurry lens can prevent proper QR detection. Make sure there is good lighting and hold the phone steady 6 to 8 inches from the QR code. First close WhatsApp and try again. You can also try restarting your phone. Go to settings, search for WhatsApp and make sure your camera is toggled on, and that'll definitely fix it. That's about it. You should now be able to scan WhatsApp QR codes with no issues. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.